Welcome to our midnight adventures of Kuyog na sa Nakol si
Glenn Abucay, ang naon tao. Hotdog naman naasin.
Oh, so Nabi's 3 guys on the grill. So 3 guys on the grill. Sayang, duha rin kabuok. So kuha mo sa kagay ang grill. So pero yes, sige. Pero yes, what's na burger on? Pero burgeran eh. Burger eh, pero sige, among tilawan nilang hotdog.
Alawa na tuloy kayo. Bago pa ni sila.
So tara guys, manood ta.
Yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on
Bay, ang kandog akong i-order kay na square sa menu.
Sir, ito yun. Matangkan, sir.
So, mo, unsa kito mo?
Pala pa sa Thunder Dog.
Thunder bundle isa.
Para makita ka ng Kalami.
repeating patterns like the actors. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going green by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about it. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
So, unsay tanaw ni mas lasa bay?
Yun dito, sir.
Grabe mustard bay.
Dahil na, sir.
Aslong sa sauerkraut, no?
First time mo ako.
Aslong.
Yan eh.
Yeah, itong tilawan ni ay sauce ketchup raw na. Kumain thunder dog. Nasi bratwurst. Pickles,
Pickles,
no?
na pickles, na
Ay,
ano sir?
sauerkraut.
Cabbage.
No, sauerkraut, yeah. Sauerkraut, guava mustard, and yeah, sliced pickles, yeah. Mana? So, lamigay. Tinawag ko na ng lain ba, ganyan itong Dunkin' Dog, which is mga baboy sa dinoon. Ganyan, this is a sliced pickles, guava mustard, grilled onions and cheese. So,
Ano may kuya sir? Kinaig guava mustard?
dalawa ba?
First time mo ano sir?
Right,
Mas familiar sa mga lasa.
Gatong ato ganina, aslom-aslom, no? Kani? Ikaw.
Ma-feel ng pickles sir. Dami yung pickle sir.
Power din pickles. So, tilaw ilang fries ba?
Siyempre. Swiss. Crispy. Juicy.
Wow!
Chicken joy. Muna ng inner sa ato ba guys.
Oh, mga. Unsa day mo?
Murag pork ni muna ni.
Ang kuha na, ang
Thunder.
thunder baka na, ay bratwurst, the German sausage.
Nagbuha na sa German.
Kaling mo sa baboy, mga Pinoy. So guys, malamig dinner ni Glenn. Oh, yes, nalingaw sa ko sa kung sausage. Ikaw, Glenn.
Lingaw,
Saan
sir.
tanaw ni mo?
Kung ganahan mo makatilaw lahi na hotdog, pero lahi sa yung taste buds, anin mo dire. Sa, asan na sir? 3 guys
In a grill. So yeah, ikalimti yan. 3 guys in a grill. Now open in Cebu. There is a Escario Street, guys. So, ano na mo kung ganahan mo mga hotdog, sausages, so nakuntingin sila mga rice meals. So,
Dapat burger.
yes, tilaw lang yun guys and let us know sa inyong tanaw ani o salamat sa pagtanaw sa mga midnight adventures so subscribe niya subscribe na ako ngayon see you sa mga next food trips bye 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 bye